Haven't you heard of First Glory TV?
Subscribe now.
What is your problem, Sonny? What is your problem? Can't you reason? Can't you for once be a reasonable man? Look, my brother, you have to hands off these court activities. It does not pay. What is your problem? Can't you be a reasonable man? Eh? What is your problem?
Senior no verse. But they make me verse. They make me verse. Now they make I hate any person government. Anything government, we not be happy with them. See with my brother, we be say you come back and I'm supposed to be happy, say anyhow it be, I don't get defense for the military levels. We be saying him bamba now, you go defend.
You are not correct. What's your problem?
No,
and they talk you the time say I suppose you the crazy.
no,
You get mad?
no,
Look, listen to me. I understand your plight, okay? I understand how things are going on in this community. But as I'm back, I will make sure I put you on the right line. So that you don't, when it time comes, nobody will be pointing at you that you are this, you're that, you're that. That's why I'm here. So that you can be doing this legally. What's your problem?
Senior bros. I dey happy when this particular way talk say you go put me right. But on how you be?
Look. So let me tell you, see all these politicians. Now their phone, you call their phone, you never ring, said they don't pick. You never ring. And I know they ask them, see, where all those their children them? Let their children say can't lead expedition now, can't lead movement for them. Why is it that they hide their picking there for back? Can't they use on iPhone? I know they ask, and they get sense. On until they born children. Oga, where that your daughter, make she wear your t-shirt, say make she move now, make she follow us go the polling unit, make we go destroy the election. And now they ask them, say Oga, where that your pikin? All those places they put their pikin, make them school, call the pikin, come make him come fight the papa fight. And now they ask them, every time on I did, every 4 years on a data, every 2 years on a day, on they tire. I tire. Listen, I am back. Don't worry, things will be okay. All right, I'll make sure I structure you. So that you say if you go do okay, all right?
I believe you.
Go meet this girl. Where they sell cold drinks here. Tell her to bring another cold water, this more drink. Then she give you big.
Now start the drink.
Tell her to give you.
Drink for charge man. I know say charge man. They drink for government man.
These small children, they don't even know what in here. I drink fire for inside bush there. I just come and take container, they wash that. You know, small boy.
Madam Ejom, my sister, you need to see Amaka today. In the midst of those court children.
Again?
Need to see. She have even changed her name to Odenibo.
What? Odogini?
Odenibo!
Hey!
Smoke cigarettes! See her? Smoke.
That's gone out of hand now.
Man.
With that elephant.
With that, my sister. Hi!
Wonderful. You see, this is why I said that time that we should excommunicate her from womenhood or forum. I even refuse.
No, now we have agreed. Yes.
She's now a big shame to womanhood.
To her family, not me. Need to see her. Hey.
You see?
She's now Odenibo.
What are we going to do? I think I don't want you. I don't want you. I said, come on, there, man. What did not worry you? So, now me, when I use the name for this village, I be. You don't say that. I said, come on, there, man. I'm here doing that for this community. Good evening.
You are welcome. You are welcome. I am getting better. Very okay. And even the injury is healing fast.
We thank God. We thank God. And that is why we decided to come and see you and to greet you. Because we were there and we saw what happened the other day. Please forgive them. Forgive them.
That I should forgive that boy. Emenike. I should forgive him. The reason I am called Ichie Okoko does not mean that I am an Okoko. But because I am one of the mouthpiece of this land.
Yes.
That boy raised his filthy hand with a bottle and broke the bottle on my head.
Hey.
I will never forgive him. I will use the last drop of my blood to deal with him and his family.
Biko, don't just go there. Hey, fight who? Emenike. That boy's heart is at the back. Now, for him to raise his hand that day and block bottle on your head is to tell you there's fire on the mountain.
Yes.
Now, please, just forgive him.
That I should forgive him.
Biko.
If you are to cost that blood I wasted that day, how much will it be?
It was much.
Orika.
Ichie Apion was here earlier today. He pleaded with me to forgive him.
See?
If I am to forgive that boy, the gods of this land will never let him go. He will never go unpunished. He will die a miserable death. And his generation will never remember him.
It's very painful, but take it easy.
It's okay.
We know.
It's okay.
One guy is
We'll be going, take care of your daughter and yourself.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Ichie Benson. My heart is bleeding. I said my heart is bleeding. It has become too obvious in this community that there are two cult groups in this land. And one of the leaders of the cult groups is that boy they call Emenike. You see that boy? I will deal with him. I will deal with that boy. I will deal with him.
Remember that this boy is it's like your son. He feels for your kitchen. You have to deal with him like a child. What do you want to do with him?
Oh, you've not heard?
Heard what?
The king sent us to unite the groups, all the youths in this land, to unite them. In the course of having a good discussion with these boys, this boy called Emenike picked a bottle and broke my head. In fact, the blood that I wasted that day, if you cost the blood is more than 100,000. Based on that, I have decided to do one thing. I will join one of the cult groups.
You want to join one of the cult groups? God forbid!
I will join them well.
God forbid! Did I hear you say you want to join cult group called them well?
Ichie, very soon you will hear me say in this land, now we aromate wither.
You will join them to say aromate wither. There is a saying that said that a lady is too big to practice prostitution at old age. And why should you go and join aromate on this your age? You are too old to wither. I am talking to you. You are too old to wither. Aromate, wither.
Ichie.
Wither. Ichie. Can you wither that thing? These small children are withering. You know what do you mean by wither? Ichie, I will advise you not to go to. In fact, if you decide to join them, we will discommunicate you from Elder. You will no more be in the Elder Council.
Who cares? Who cares? I don't even want to be in the Elders Council. I want to join these boys so that, see, I know how to handle God. By the time I start releasing the bullets, people like Emenike will start disappearing. They will start disappearing. People like you will no more exist in this community. In fact, you people will crown me the leader of the Elders Council. The youth will crown me the leader of the Youth Council. By that time, you will know that I am no more, that I am the greatest in this community. Enough is enough. I won't take that kind of nonsense again. That a very little boy that I know the day his mother gave birth to him will pick a bottle and break my head. And you, the elders, did not do anything, and you are telling me that you will. Elder, I'm just reserving my respect for you.
Cut me out, join with them. I will never follow you and join with her. I am no more your friend. You will be discomplicated for elders council.
Elder, I better be on me. I can now see that you are supporting that boy called Emenike. In fact, I don't have anything to say.
Tired of you. An old man like you, a roommate.
Now we are roommate with her. Now we are roommate with her. Now we are roommate with her.
Papa. Eh? Which one is Navio roommate with her? You better bring down your voice before those bad boys comes after you.
You mean those boys come after me?
Yes.
By tomorrow, I will be officially joining Nawio, a roommate with her. I'll be a member.
Papa, you're joking. You're not serious. You're not serious. Because you are old enough to be their father. You're not serious, Papa.
What are you talking about? Were you not there the other day? When that boy called Emenike picked a bottle and broke my head. Were you not there? The only thing you could do was to just disappear. You ran away. Even the elder the king sent with me to address those boys disappeared into thin air. Everybody ran away. Nobody stood there for me. And you are telling me I shouldn't join those boys. I shouldn't join them to say, now we are a roommate with her. You must be joking. You must be joking.
But Papa, I took care of you. After the injury, I took care of you, Papa. Papa, that's not the reason you will tell me that you want to go and join those children. That game is for children and not for old men like you. Or don't tell me you want to become Odenibo. That fat whatsoever. Don't tell me you want to become Odenibo, Papa.
The only thing that will protect me, even that will protect you, is to join those boys. So that I will deal with that boy.
Papa, I am already protected. But since you've made that choice, since you've made the decision, no problems. Just get ready to become childless.
Who cares? I better become childless than having you as a daughter. No, I will not be childless. I want to join that group to protect you and protect myself too. So that any of those boys that appears here, I will use my double barrel and destroy them. Papa. As a member of Nawio, a roommate with her. Do you know what that means? I will never be childless.
No problems. I'm going inside there and I'm leaving. I'm leaving this house and I'm going back to my maternal home.
Hey! You are not going anywhere. You better come and give me my food, idiot.
Isaac. Listen. If you come to come see me from my barrack, you better mind the way you address me. This is not the village square that you can talk to anybody anyhow. If you want to address me, you better call me Ezek or executioner. Call it in full. You hear me? Ezek. Whatever you are, I don't want to know. I came to see you.
Executioner.
Rugged you.
You see, you saw what happened the other day. That little boy, that small boy, Emenike, picked a bottle and broke it on my head. That boy, I will deal with him. I will deal with him. Ezek,
Rugged you.
I have decided to join your court.
Jai, may Odin be praised, and me. Isaac, aka Italian, the executioner emeritus of all the autonomous Ikwere community. Mazi, sufferings and lessons for those who refuse to learn. You see that day for that village square, I witnessed everything that happened. I see everything with that idiot, that miscreant, that hoodlum, that leech, goblin. We never see anything for life, carry bottle to bust your head. You see, at the time you say you don't come to the right place at the right time.
You see, just because I said this village must do well.
Oh.
That was why that boy picked a bottle and broke it on my head.
Oh, you see?
And again, you know, I love your language. Now we aromate with I want to join. I want to join.
Mazi, do you know why I always call you Aro Ibozu? It's because you always flag red. And you always behave like a dead body. Yes. Aro Ibozu. Don't worry, Mazi. Everything is settled. You're just at the right place at the right time. First things first. Tomorrow, we'll go carry you go. By tomorrow, we'll carry you go Side Island. There and then we'll go blend you. Drill you with rum and 30 machete drilling. Yes. 30 machete drilling. You hear me? No pain, no gain. You hear me? You want cluster Iceland though? No game. We'll drill you so that it's a suffering and lesson for those who choose to learn. So we'll drill you, we'll learn. Then for there we'll give you orientation. You will know what's in there. Then this your Aro Ibozu go dey officially announced to the body say now you Mazi Okoko aka Aro Ibozu for Iceland so that you will become IMP sailor. They hear me? Then there will give you orientation so that when you dey cap dem go know say rugged sailor this cap. No be all this apapa dem. You see those chiefs dem wey dey misbehave down wey dey there wey dey bust your head that day. All of them go soon die. How many people go kill them throw away finish? Because they no get brand, they never embrace. But you, we don't come embrace the IMPs. Forget you. You see what you are.
So you mean I will be a member of your court from tomorrow?
I say after Side Island finish Bagam, you don't become safe.
Hey!
Anywhere
so from tomorrow, anywhere I will be saying, now we are aromate with that.
No problem.
Hey! Where are each is in fact, he wore a chair. He was a chair. You see those chairs?
We will make you
from today, they'll be afraid of me.
They should be afraid of you because you are now a chief in our day.
Hey!
They hear me? So say Lord, rise and shine. No lele for you. They hear me?
Hey! I'll be on my way now. Now we are aromate with her. I am a complete man now.
Get you. What's Calabar? Sell on, rise and shine. Nothing to you. They hear me? Go. Any shaking tree is a target. Go follow woto. They are go turn desert. Idiot. Turn and fire their mother.
Elders. What is it? What is it? About Mazi Okoko. What happened to him? Oh, you haven't heard that he is now a member of one of the deadly groups called groups in this community. Is it funny?
Do you know that Ichokoko came to my house last time? And he came to tell me he want to join one of these deadly groups. I called him that a woman will not practice prostitution at old age. And he was shouting, now we Aro mate. I don't really understand what he was shouting because I am not interested to know. I am too old for that.
And if I may ask, what did he say his reason for wanting to join them?
He said the elders and the whole community refused to assist him even when the court boys broke his head.
Ichokoko must be the worst idiot in this community. In fact, I don't know the adjective to qualify the kind of stupidity in Ichokoko. He's saying of nobody contributed when the Emenike broke his head.
Yes.
What of the other women? The woman that died, even Ijoma, that was shot on her leg. See, the only thing we will do now, let us put our fingers crossed. The moment we confirm that Ichokoko has joined those little boys, in fact, we will excommunicate him from the council of the elders. He can never come near us again.
My elders.
Now I know that Ichokoko is completely mad. But what I have not been able to figure out is the name of his brand of madness. Oh, this reminds me. You see, nothing goes without a cause. If you see a little bird dancing on the road, The orchestra that is playing band for it is in the bush.
Like they said, a stubborn fly follows the cup to the grave.
Yes. You know why I'm saying this? It seems he has started nursing the idea, the ambition to join this cause group even before the meeting in which his head was broken.
Yes.
Because you know what he said that day? Knowing full well that one of the groups answers "day well," he said that he wants this community to day well, and that was what provoked the attack on him.
Yes, now. Exactly.
So you see, I'm just trying to figure out exactly what happened that day. Oh, just like you said, the moment we confirm this information, I tell you, we will excommunicate him from the elders council.
He will no longer come near us.
There's no way he, after eating on the ground, he will come and join the elders on the table.
Ogogo will never ever come near us.
Yes. Jamani. You again. You again. What are you doing in my house? After killing my son, you still have the gut to come to my compound again. Now what do you want?
Come on, keep quiet, Chamadi. Keep quiet. You will not live long. You will not even be alive to harvest those nonsense crops planted on my father's land. And you will not be alive as well. You will not live to see the beautiful building of structure we plant on that land.
Your father, your late father, disturbed this community with that so-called army uniform. Now you again. Now you again. Tell me, what do you want?
You, Chamadi. Any of you that will step this rubbish, dirty feet from that land again, the person will visit his ancestors. I will tell the person, anybody that gets close to that land, I will kill that person. And I will tell you that I am Full Sergeant Sammy, licensed to kill. Go and ask after me. Ask my friend Abdullahi. Ask my friend Musa. You are mad. My own father's land. My own father's land. Just because I left this community. I was in the north to fight for this great nation. When I collect my fatherland, you and those your stupid sons, I will deal with them. I will deal with them. Yes.
Everything about me now, right? No be just good. Over here, yo. That's baby. Sit down, we don't take back now. We are jumping.
Come on! Come on! Come on, come on.
Hey! I just got to warn you. I don't know. I been a day pint. I just come warn you, say make you leave my daughter for me. Command my daughter from that thing what na they do for this community, what na they call court. In the case, don't there? Come on there without you. So, you know the fear be. So you know the fear face. It look me finish. Just waka, come for my cabin, come the nyatori. You know the fear. In the case, you remain for a house. Now I want to ask you so. I been at this thing where you carry when the shit will make you. Come on, hold your house. What did I worry you? Now this. You don't turn, make I see what you're making. I just they tell you. Now the same thing where you do me, where you carry my only son, Ebuka, carry go to for that place. The collector for my hand. Now again, you don't carry my only daughter. I carry go beg you. Your marital daughter. Say me your pikin this one. When you don't carry go chukude, you can't carry my only Adamu one. My own marital. Carry go chukude. Yes, they say you for me. As a mother, you kill my first son, they not do you. You carry my only daughter. As a mother, they for the one. And they tell you for the one. They protect her. Hey, I just want to warn you.
Mama, now God, now they protect you.
Before tomorrow, if you don't come out the name of my daughter from that place, now one I want you. If I see the craze, so if I see the craze, till it. If I see the craze,
Mama, give me my shoe. I want it on tomorrow.
Come on, we die in the craze.